In its simplest form, it is possible to use a strings format method to insert objects into it. The most basic syntax is curly brackets plus curly brackets equals curly brackets dot format 2, 3, 5. In the end, when we print this, we get 2 plus 3 equals 5 in this way. Here, the format method is called on the string literal with the arguments 2, 3, and 5, which is interpolated in order into the locations of the replacement fields indicated by curly brackets or braces. Replacement fields can also be numbered or named, which helps with longer strings and allows the same value to be interpolated more than once. For example, 1, 0, and 2 are the names of these replacement fields. And then we use the same format with the same arguments. This time we get 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now you see 2 has the index 0 and hence it has been put where we put 0 and so on. Now let's try naming them num1, num2 and answer. Now we will have to equate them in the arguments itself. For example, like this, num1 equal 2, num2 equal 3 and answer equal 5. Or we can try something like this. The idea is the same. Replacement fields can be given a maximum size within the string by the inclusion of an integer length after a colon as follows. Triple equals 0, 12, triple equal dot format, and then in the arguments we do Python. Now you see that this has a total length of 12 characters. If the string is too long for the maximum size, it will take up as many characters as needed, overriding the replacement field size specified. By default, the interpolated string is aligned to the left. This can be modified to align to the right or the center. The single character less than, greater than, and to the power control the alignment, like this. In this example, we use less than in front of 12 and we get Python to the left. And then we use the greater than and then we get Python to the right. And then to the power character will give us Python in the center. In these examples, the field is padded with spaces, but this fill character can also be specified. For example, to pad with hyphens in the last example specified, we need to specify hyphens like this in front of to the power character, and then we get this padding with hyphens. It is even possible to pass the minimum field size as a parameter to be interpolated. Just replace the field size with a reference in braces as follows. A equals 15, and then in the next line, this field has inside the curly braces 0 characters, triple equal to, and then 1 is to greater than 2, and then again triple equal dot format A, which has the index 0, which goes here, the field which has the index 1 goes here, and A again. And then when print this, we get this field has 15 characters, and then if you want to count, you can go ahead and count that this field actually has 15 characters. We can also achieve this with the named interpolation. For example, this field has, instead of 0, we write W characters, and then again instead of 2 we write W here, and then we pass the field and W is equal to A in the arguments of format method, and we achieve the same result. In each case, the second format specifier here has been taken to be 15. To insert the brace character themselves into the formatting string, they must be doubled up.